Government Model Higher Primary English Medium School, Durgigudi, Shivamogga. Hello children, today I'm going to help you how to read and understand a history lesson. For this, you have to do an activity. The name of the activity is Word Bank. A word bank is a list of words. A word bank activity helps you to learn by yourself. How are you going to do this activity? While reading a lesson, you come across new words and phrases that you have not learnt in the earlier classes, and you also come across words that are familiar to you. You have to make a list of all those words under two headings. Let's take a look. While reading the lesson Vijayanagar Empire, I have listed a few words. These words can be called as historical terms which help us to explain the history. Empire, dynasty, kingdom, capital, national emblem, emperor, kings, titles, ministers, commanders, historians, poets, musicians, captured, defeated, came to power, took control over, restored to power, imprisoned, patronized, resurrected, army, soldiers, infantry, cavalry, inscriptions, coins, literary works, paintings, administration, contributions, achievements, patronage, art and architecture, war, battle, result, victory, decline, rise. Another list of words are important names related to the lesson. Vijayanagara, Tungabhadra, Sangama, Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa, Muddappa, Praudadevaraya, Gangadevi, Krishnadevaraya, Saluva, Tuduva, Aravidu, Narasimha, Tuduva Narasanayaka, Gajabentegara, Chatursamudradishwara, Ariraya Vibhada, Mallikarjuna, Virupaksha, Robert Sewell, Abdul Razak, Yavanarajya Pratishthapanacharya, Achyudaraya, Sadashivaraya, Ramaraya, Adil Shah, Ismail Adil Khan, Kalinga, Jagan Mohini, Hampi, Ballari, Nellore, Kadapa, Madurai, Penukonda, Shravanabelagola, Bidar, Raichur, Dasara, Deepavali, Telugu, Kannada, Shankara Vijaya, Vidyaranya, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Kalyana Mantapa, Vittalaswamy Temple, Kamala Mahal, Purandara Dasa and Kanakadasa. Now, after you have listed these words, historical terms and names under two different headings, these will help you to explain the history of Vijayanagara Empire. Thank you. Once when you have listed the words under the two headings, historical terms and the names related to the lesson under your word bank activity, it will be helpful for you to answer these questions. Who was the founder of the empire, dynasty? Who did he defeat? Which were the places that he captured? What were his achievements? What were his contributions? How was his administration? How many wars or battles he fought, and what was the result? All the best. Try it out.